This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2010 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sport, stock reference number 3799. This date runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiated grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, will require a light polish, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight also will require a polish, right guard appears to have, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, colour coded. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. They have been painted black. The left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, painted black. Unfortunately nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right hand rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one medium-sized dent right in the middle. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, colour coded. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag painted black with a good tyre.